Welcome to the review of the PRIZM Node mod. As part of the video, we will demonstrate the installation of the Node PRIZM mod on OS Windows. This mod was developed as an additional tool for the convenience of users and is not required for the operation of the PRIZM Node. In the GitHub repository, you can see the date the mod was published, as well as its description. Also, the description is in the mod archive with detailed installation instructions. You can download the mod from the link located in the repository. After downloading, open the archive and find the readme. What the mod adds to the node. On the Overview tab, 1. Added the number of days in hold or hold status, in parentheses near the hold balance. 2. Added display of hybrid mining and daily production in brackets. In the Forging Accounts tab, 1. Number of forging accounts. 2. Total number of coins on forging. 3. Structure. 4. Hold day, number of days without operations. 5. Date of the red zone. 6. Paramining for the entire duration of the hold. 7. Production per day in coins. 8. Mining per month in coins. 9. Percentage per month from the active balance. Above the column, the average percentage of production per month by all wallets for 30 days is calculated. 10. Status, number of blocks from the last block caught. Let us move on to the installation. Keep the original UI folder so you can restore the files. It is located along the path drive C, Program Files, Prizm, HTML. Open My Computer, and follow this path. Making a backup copy of a folder. The fastest way is to zip in. In order for the modifier to work, it is enough to drop the contents of the UI folder from the archive into the original folder. You'll be prompted to replace the files. We replace. You can confirm each folder individually, or check the box to auto-replace similar files. We don't need the archive anymore, we can close it. The third point of the installation is related to setting the administrator password. You can set it in the node config file. To do this, go back one folder and run prizm config. We find the line admin password and write the password in numbers and characters. After that, we can save and run the PRIZM node. It is not necessary to enter with a private phrase. The Overview tab opens. We see changes near the balance of the hold. Hold days are indicated in parentheses. And Paramining now shows taking into account hybrid mining, and daily production is indicated in brackets. Go to the Forging Accounts tab. And we see all the changes indicated in the description of the mod. This wallet is not in a hold status, so some fields are empty, but we think it will be interesting for you to figure it out on your own. We make sure that the wallet is forging. If not, we turn on forging. Next, connect the next account. To do this, press the exit without any additions after. Go to the Forging Wallets tab, and see the statistics of 2 wallets already. This wallet is forging. We are convinced of this and repeat the procedure. And now we see the statistics of 3 wallets already. We see the total balance, production and other statistics. We can also sort according to the parameters we are interested in. The number of wallets is not limited. This completes the installation itself. Next comes the details and adjustments that you will have to make over time. For those who understand the code, or want to install the mod manually, In the description there is a complete instruction on how to proceed. Thus, you will not replace files, but prescribe each one manually. This is at the discretion of everyone. But one item will be useful to us in any case. This is the average daily emission. It is thanks to this parameter that we can predict the red zone and the monthly production of paramining. You can see the value of the current average daily emission on the pair indicator channel in telegrams. We find the 10th point of manual installation. Open the NRS settings.js file in Notepad. Located along the path, drive C, program files, Prizm, HTML, UI, JS. We find the line, admin password, and under it the value of the daily emission. Because Paratax grows not so fast, it is often not necessary to change this value. We hope this mod will be useful and interesting for you. In the meantime, thank you for your attention. Always with your Team Pro Movement Prizm.